Hey folks, it's me, Moist Andy, and I shaved my face. So today, or like just the past week actually, we've been finishing up this appliance, and it takes these little LED lights. I'm planning to install it onto my bicycle handlebars. I'm gonna give you a little demonstration real quick. Wire up the battery terminals, and then watch very closely now. Pay can have more than one of these attached if I want. I can stick in one of those into it. I don't want to. I just want one for now. But that's not the whole point. The idea, the reason why I built all this appliance, the whole entire point was not to run it on this battery. Actually, I just wanted to generate the power with electromagnetism. These are basically dynamo 12 volt 6 watt generators. They are designed to they're gonna run. These wheels, they rub against the bicycle tire. So here, like little musical instrument. If you can flick it hard enough, see that little thing flashes. I'm pretty sure that they're both just about the same. But if I have two rubbing on one bicycle tire, it could potentially work really well. Now the reason why you hear it stay turned on a little for a second is just, this is a 1000 microfarad, so it stores a little charge. Now this took me all night pretty much to put together. It seemed like it really wasn't that long, but I ran into so many issues out here.